Hi there, it's Monique Bradley here. I am really proud to be a brand ambassador for Kathy Organics. I love their products. I've been using it for the last, maybe 5 years. And I love that it's all natural. It's made from beautiful ingredients, including a lot of naturally occurring organic ingredients as well. It's not tested on animals, and it's made here in beautiful, clean, green New Zealand. Now, in New Zealand, where I live here in Auckland, we have a lot of humidity, and my hair, which is naturally very, very curly, tends to get really frizzy. So one of the products that's been working extremely well for me, and I've actually pulled it out of my bathroom to show you that I do use it as well. This is the Marula Enriched Hair Oil. Now, why I love it, you can see, I have loved it and I use it all the time. You can see there's still liquid in there, hopefully. Why I love it is marula is a nut or a seed that comes from Africa. It's sourced in Africa, and the potency of the marula oil is just so good for your hair and your skin. So if you love argan oil, marula oil is next level when it comes to hydration. On the skin, it's wonderful. You can see a little bit oily on my hand, and then it absorbs beautifully into your skin and it leaves it feeling really hydrated. So in your hair, particularly if you have curly hair like me, you can pop it in your hair overnight, and what it will do is it has oleic acid in it, and that allows the protein from the marula seed or the marula nut to deeply penetrate your hair, and protein is great for repair. But at the same time, the oil that's in there is wonderful for hydration. So while you repair your hair, you're adding moisture as well. And often when you're getting those flyaways in your hair, that frizziness, that's your hair crying out for moisture. So by using a serum like this or an oil like this in your hair, not only will you help it hydrate and repair, what it will do is it will take all those dry ends and it will make them look instantly more fabulous. So you can use it topically, or you can use it as a hair mask overnight. So if you know you've got a special day the next day and you want to give your hair a big deep treatment, pop this into your scalp, massage it in, work it all the way through to the ends, plait your hair, sleep with it in your hair, and then rinse it out the next day, and your hair will literally glow. So there it is. Check it out on their website, Marula Enriched Hair Oil. I absolutely love it, and for me, it's taken away my frizzies and left me with this beautiful, straight, sleek hair that I never thought was possible. Give it a go, kathyorganics.com. All right, see you guys. Bye.